Hello everyone and welcome back. In this lecture we'll look at one of the other IDE options that we have for Python. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, and the other IDE option that we will look at in this lecture is the IDLE. It's an integrated development environment which comes with Python, and it's very basic. Okay, so it's called IDLE and it comes with Python. For our lecture, for our course, we'll be using Jupyter Notebook. But if you are interested, you can use any other IDE that you guys want. Let me quickly show you this IDE that comes with Python, which is called IDLE. So if you click on the Start Windows button and type IDLE, so you'll see IDLE here, IDLE Python GUI. You can click on it, and if you are using Python 3, you might have to type IDLE and then 3 if you are using Python 3. Since we are using Python 2, simply type IDLE, and once you open your IDLE, this is what it looks like. It says Python 2.7.11 shell, Python version. So this is what the IDLE looks like. And we can perform certain Python operations and statements. For instance, I can say print, "Hi there, welcome to the course," and our statement will be printed. Press enter. So "Hi there, welcome to the course." We can perform operations, for instance 78 minus 98, that will give us -20. We can look at some for loops. For instance, we can say for I in range 5, or let's say for I in range 8, print I. So that will print out the numbers 0 to 7. Press enter twice and we see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are printed. We can say raw input, then please enter your name, and then run it. It says please enter your name, so it's prompting us, it's prompting the user to enter their name. So please enter your name, let's say Sammy, and then run it. So Sammy will be printed. Okay, so these are some Python operations, Python statements that we can perform on our IDLE. Okay, it's not able to handle some complex statements, okay, but it can handle, the basic Python statements. So if you make any error, it will show you here. For instance, here it says end of line while scanning string literal. It's just saying you are missing a quotation. Okay, so it's basic, but it's one of the IDEs that comes with Python. Say please enter your name. So this is a function that raw input is a function that you can use in Python 2. If you are using Python 3, use the function input, and then the statement enter name. So that will be in Python 3. Use input. Okay, so this is IDLE, and you can also, another thing you can do with IDLE is you can click on the file here, the file tab, and then click on new file, and then once you have a new file open, You can print out statements. For instance, I can say for I in range, let's say 3 to 20 in step sizes of, let's say 4. These are some Python for loop statements. Don't worry what it is. I'm just showing you that it will perform and execute the statements. Once you have your statement, click on run module. Source must be saved. OK to save. Press OK, and you see the result here in the Python shell. Great. Just to recap, we looked at the idle IDE option that we have for Python. Again, as I mentioned, we'll be using Jupyter Notebook for our course, but feel free to use any other IDE that you like. And some IDE options are idle, which comes with Python. There's PyCharm, there's Komodo, Sublime Text. There's so many of them. Feel free to use any of those. Great. Thank you everyone, and see you at the next lecture.